What's up, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shyvon, and we are back with another video.
We are back with another board game, man. Back with another, back at it again with a. Back at it. All right, I'm done.
He got problems, y'all. I swear he do. He got issues. But yeah, guys, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, we're going to be playing the game Jenga. Jenga. Okay, so we played it for the first time. That's why it's open. But we played it for the first time the other day, and he lost.
Her ass.
No, he did not. He lost.
Man, I lost, but it was a good game, though.
It was a good game. It was very intense, too, y'all.
It was. We're sorry. I wish we did record it, but
I didn't know how intense this game is.
That's my first time playing Jenga. First time.
Yeah, this is my first time too.
Your boy did pretty good.
He did good, yeah. I promise I put this on everything. It was my first time playing Jenga. That's how I want to get it so bad.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our video. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we post the video. And yeah, guys, we'll get straight into this video. So first we gotta set up. Man, how did you put this in here?
Watch her drop this whole thing.
Where's the thing at?
What thing? What thing?
Where's the thing? Babe, you put this in here so wrong. Look at this. What the heck? Y'all, this thing goes on the top. He put it on the side. Look at this. You know how to set this up? Okay, guys, we back. We have the blocks built. If it looks kind of washed out, y'all just don't pay that attention or whatever. So yeah, guys, we have it built on this Jenga builder thingy. It's really easy when you build it on here. So now we finna just scoot it. Babe, go on do that now. Go on do that. Go on do that. Scoot it from under there.
You got it.
Babe.
So when it falls, you can blame me.
Yes.
All right, come on, let me scoot it up.
Okay, go. See, teamwork makes the dream work, boo.
Right there.
Alright, can y'all see that? Alright, guys, so we finna get ready to get started playing this game. This might take a few hours, but bear with us. Ha! Alright, so who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Okay,
I'll go first.
Go first, baby.
I'll go first.
Go first, boo. First block out.
First block out.
That easy.
What you gonna do? Bro, here you go with this cheating stuff again.
I'm not cheating. Y'all always get in the middle.
Easy does it. Easy does it.
That was really easy.
You got balls.
Yeah, it's standing on one block. He always do this. Y'all, the other day he was pulling the blocks and said, "Babe, stop shaking the table."
You got it standing on one block.
Yeah, the other day.
Why did I do that?
Shut up. Okay. I think now he got the hang of the game, so now he know how to play it. Cause the other day it was funny.
Okay.
Like now he trying to take my tricks.
Hey, chill out, boo. Chill out, bro.
Chill out, boo. Babe, get off the table. Off of it.
Bro, she is cheating with all these little through the holes type stuff, man.
Those are easier. It's less weight on those.
Like, put that thing over, bro.
It look like it's gonna lean over if you keep shaking this table. I feel like he's gonna shake the table when it's my turn to go, and then it's all gonna fall.
Try it. With me if you want to. It's not a good day. Okay? Now back to the
Y'all, Jenga is intense. Let us know down in the comment section below if y'all ever played Jenga and who made it fall.
Yo, this thing is hanging off one. I wish I got to see. It's hanging off. I don't even get to see that or not. It's hanging off. Yo, stop this cheating stuff.
What?
Man.
I'm not cheating. Okay. Dang, they're sitting on one. I think I see my old
That was an accident. I didn't mean to do that.
Okay.
That's hanging out. That's oh shit. That's hanging out one too.
Mm-hmm. Think I can get this one at the bottom?
What? Hey, go ahead. She got something. She's trying to go for the very, very bottom.
That's what he's trying to do. Do not move this tape or I'm gonna knock you out.
I'm staying still.
Damn, and they were just moving. Okay, there we go.
No way, bro. Come on, man.
There we go. There we go. Y'all, Javon keeps shaking the table. Okay.
Easy does it.
Okay.
Easy does it.
Easy does it. Nope. Not gonna get moved.
Oh my god.
Babe, shake the table one more time. Okay. Y'all, let us know if we're playing this game right.
What are you moving for? Stay still.
I huff and I puff, but you think it'll go down if I blow it?
You can blow. Hey, you can blow when you're doing it.
Okay. None of these want to come on. Oh, never mind.
What?
Never mind.
Bro, that was so easy. I came out with damn it, bro.
Shaking, babe. Y'all, this same thing he did yesterday, and he couldn't get it out, so he just left it hanging halfway.
Come on, man. Oh my god.
Y'all, can y'all see what he doing? Ooh, you turning it off the last little. You turning up the last little leg.
Oh, I wish I could see how this thing is like in there, bro.
It's in there. It's in there.
Why I always get these?
Yank it out. Yank that sucker out.
You wanna do it?
Yank it out. 1, 2, 3. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. There you go, boo.
Ah, Shit.
Boom.
I saw the thing.
Ow.
What wrong with you?
Ooh. Ow.
What wrong with you?
Ooh.
What wrong with you?
Ooh, that hurt. Get off the table. Off of the table. Nope. Oh shit, I got one just like him. Yeah, I got one just like Javon. I think mine might fall. You see
it's
it?
hanging off one. It's leaning on the camera, or am I tripping?
No, it's leaning, y'all. It's leaning.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
It's my turn.
Huh?
Oh my god, you can't get any worse than this, boy.
Ooh. Oh gosh.
I ain't gonna do it. That one looks stiff. What? No way, bro. Well, you can't find, bro. How many things you gonna have? You think hanging off one? Oh, no.
Dang. Oh god. Oh, okay. I just thought I should try it.
You are playing with fire. Come on, stand up, Team Javon, man. Team Javon. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Ain't no way, bro.
Damn, how long is this block? Got it.
Damn, bro.
God.
I know the pressure is back on me.
Can y'all see how tall it is, y'all? Oh, just that easy. Just that easy. Usa, namaste, kumbaya.
What kind of kumbaya you over here doing, man? Oh my god. You cheating though.
How?
You holding the next block to push it out.
No, I'm not.
Yes, it is. Guys, she cheating, bro.
No, I'm not.
You cheating, bro. I see what you're doing. Guys, she's like,
I can't do that.
can you do that? Comment down below if you can do that.
If y'all comment in the comment section below if y'all can like I'm holding the block and then like I'm pushing off another one. Can y'all do that?
She holding.
I'm holding
Listen,
with one
listen what she's
hand.
doing. She's holding the bottom part. She's holding. Say she's holding that. I can't. She's holding. Say she's holding the bottom. Say this is the bottom part. She's holding this part. Then she's pushing the top one off with her hand, so the bottom part won't move. You think you're slick?
Babe, it still can move.
Man, no, I ain't do that. I just, me.
Okay, fine. I'm not
I'm
gonna
in
do
here
no more.
like this. You over here holding it.
I'm not gonna do no more. I'm not gonna do no more.
When you done, already push it out.
Huh?
You're cheating ass.
I'm not. Shut up. I'm not cheating.
No, you cheat, bro.
Okay, fine. Comment in the comment section if that's cheating. If it is, I didn't know. I've never played Jenga before. I just thought you couldn't use both hands.
I'm over here doing it before. She over here holding it one hand, pushing it.
All right, come on. I ain't gonna do no
Bro,
more.
this thing fall, bro. Bro, you cheating, bro.
I'm not cheating.
Yeah. I don't even know what to pull right now.
Y'all, it's getting tall. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like right here.
Oh, my hand is heavy-handed, bro.
He is.
Come on, bro. Why are you still in there?
Just leaving too. You got it. You got it, boo.
It's getting taller than the camera. Ooh, that was risky.
I knew you was gonna put it there too.
That was risky.
It was risky.
Guys, we're getting long. We probably have to speed up some of the parts.
Yeah.
And then we get close to somebody dropping it. Just play by normal. It's getting taller than the camera. Kid, this video is long. Nobody's not losing. It is taller than the camera right now.
I just pulled, so it's his turn.
I don't know what to pull right now, boys.
I don't either. Like, look, if y'all see how this looks, it's this one is hanging on by one. This one's hanging on by one. This one's hanging on by one.
I'm gonna go ahead and cheat.
You cheating. Y'all, he just pulled from the top layer.
Nah, it wasn't. It was a third layer.
It said you gotta complete it before you start another layer.
What? It's a third layer. The third. I didn't put from the very top.
Y'all, he cheated.
I didn't put from the very top.
Y'all, he want me to make this thing fall, bruh. Oh, good God.
Bro, don't tell me this thing finna hold up on one, bro.
Huh?
No way, dog.
I got the one he was trying to pull this whole time, y'all. It all depends on me putting this block up here. Babe, stop shaking me. You shaking me. You about to cheat. Boom. Just like that, bro. Give me my pillow. Just like that, bro.
It's butterfall now. Well, all the funness come to an end right now.
Yep. That's it. Dang.
Ooh, yeah, boy.
Y'all ain't so annoying. So annoying.
Talk about. Yeah. Finally. On this. You won the first round.
I won the first one that we first played yesterday, so I guess I can give it to you. So yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed this very intense round of Jenga, make sure y'all like this video, comment in the comment section below, hashtag Team Shy Bun, because I won.
What?
Yeah, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel so y'all see more videos from us. Let us know if y'all want to see in the comment section below. We love y'all, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.